I'm Noriko at Noriko's House Cleaning. We believe you deserve more than a clean home. You deserve a company that you can truly trust, one that understands how important your home, time, and peace of mind are. When you hire us, you're choosing trained, respectful, and trusted technicians, people who love what they do and are treated so well so that they can serve you well. Because we're a business built on family values, and we extend that care to every home we enter. And unlike hiring a private housekeeper, when you work with a professional cleaning company, you're not liable for things like taxes or injuries. We've got you covered. A cleaner home, a clearer mind, and more time for what matters most from a team built on values that show in every